Hi, my name is Cassandra Willette with Flow&Paddle. I'm going to show you how to anchor for doing SUP Yoga and SUP Fitness. You are going to take your anchor out of your bag. You're going to slide the bag underneath of your bungee so it does not fly away. You're going to slowly unwrap your rope for your anchor. It does take a little bit of time, so give yourself time. If you happen to blow away because of wind, just let yourself blow away. You're going to drop your four legs of your anchor. Once you drop those four legs, you have a locking mechanism that will drop all the way down the handlebar. Once that is in place and locked, those legs will not come up. Once you're ready to anchor, you're going to slowly lower the anchor down into the water. Once you feel it touch, you're going to feel a slight tug. That means that you're anchored all the way down. You also have a C-clip or a carabiner that you will move to your next loop. Once you get that loop in place, you place that carabiner, that C-clip, right here along the bungee at the front of your paddle board. That means you are anchored into the water. That means you will not move. Once you are done with that, you can wrap the leash that is around your ankle, and you're going to make sure that it's nice and tight around the paddle. Once you take that paddle, you're going to put it in the water so it's completely off of your board so you're not worried about landing on your paddle and hurting yourself. Then, last but not least, you have your PFD or your life jacket that could come off. Since you are supported and you are not moving with your anchor, you always have that option. You could also slide that under the bungee here as well, totally out of the way. If you have any other questions, please let us know. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Thank you. Have a good day.